Hi everyone, it's Miss Thongarage. I'm now going to make a video about how you can find the vertex if you're given a quadratic in factored form. So let's look at an example together. Here is my quadratic that's in factored form. Y is equal to x plus 2, x minus 10, and I'm going to graph it. I know that it says plus 2 in the brackets, so that means one x-intercept is at minus 2, and it says minus 10 in the brackets, so the other x-intercept is at plus 10. So let's do that first. We've drawn the x-intercepts, and now you can use the bunny hop method, if you like, to find the middle where you hop until you get to the middle. The other option is to add up the two x-intercepts and then divide by 2. So let's try that. To find the middle, if I want to find the x that is in the middle, I take this x-intercept, I add it to this x-intercept, 10 plus minus 2, and then I divide by 2. So 10 plus minus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So what that means, 1, 2, 3, 4, our middle should be right here. So I'm going to draw my axis of symmetry, my line that goes right through the middle of my quadratic. And I'm going to check, just because it's good to use two methods, I'm going to check my bunny hop. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunny hops to get from 10 to the middle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to -2. So yes, it's even, it is symmetric. So what I want to do is I just want to remember that at the axis of symmetry, or at the middle, that's where it's the lowest. So I'm going to go, start at -2, keep going, and get to the lowest at the axis of symmetry. And then I'm going to go up over here to the 10. And now we know that it is symmetric. The left side looks the same as the right side. It's symmetric. Now, what we want to do is we want to find the coordinate of the vertex. Remember, you put x first and then y. Now, we know that the x over here, this x right here is 4. So I know that this value right here is 4. And I want to find out what is this number. Now, let's use a little bit of common sense. I know that if I multiply 2 times minus 10, that means that my y-intercept over here is minus 20, which means that this over here needs to be a number that's lower than minus 20, maybe minus 40, maybe minus 30. But we don't want to play a guessing game. We actually want to know the right answer. So what I would like you to realize is that if you know the x is 4, you can use the equation to find the y. So let's go up to our equation. We know that the x is equal to 4. Okay, what do I have? 4 plus 2, it's 6. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. I have two brackets. They're right next to each other. That means I'm multiplying. And so if I multiply 6 times minus 6, gives me minus 36. And you will know if you've done this right. If the two numbers you have are the same, just one is positive and one is negative. So let's go over here. That means over here, this lowest point is minus 36. Here we go. This number is minus 36. That is your answer for your vertex. Let's just practice again, because practice is good. Let's write our x-intercepts. Remember, x comes first and then y. 10. 10 is an x, so it has to come first, and then 0. Over here, our x comes first, which is minus 2, and then 0. Here, when we have our y-intercept, this is a y. Minus 20 is on the y-axis. So it can't come first, it has to come second. So here's my minus 20, and here's my 0. Okay, so there's a little video that hopefully will help you understand how to find the vertex.